Hope you are doing well, guys. I am Game Rokon from Rokon Cyber. Today, I will show you how can you recover your Instagram account before starting our today's videos. Can subscribe my YouTube channel and click on all button. Then you will get all of my videos notification fastly. So now starting our today's videos. At first, I will log in my Instagram account, which is suspended. Okay, just I search on Instagram.com. Okay, after login your account you will got it this type of interface, or you can got an apple button. Just click on there, then you can see this type of interface. Okay, just I complete the challenge. Okay, cars, I will just doing this challenge. After completed, I just click on the you can see this type of interface that enter your email. You can attach your new email accounts here, or which is attached with your account. You can send this code on that email. Just send code button. Okay, just I will just log in now to the email address. Okay, I will just log in my email account. That then I will sing that got an code from Instagram. I just copy the code and paste it here. Okay. After paste it, I just will click next button. Then you will see this type of interface. Upload a verification selfie. When you will doing this, you from your mobile phone, you can submitted a live selfie, but from desktop, I will just submitted my one of my photos here. Okay, just I will select my photo, then just click on upload button on. Okay, I will just click on upload button. It will just taken 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, you can see that you submitted an appeal on 22 August 2026. Okay, I will, you can check the time and just I will reload the page, and you can that fail to reload. I will again click on it. Here you can see that enter your phone number. So I will give in my phone number here. Just enter my phone number here. Then I will give in a code on WhatsApp. Then I will click on send code button. Okay, after send code I will just copy the code and paste it here. Okay, I will typing the code here. Then I will click on next button. Okay, then you can see this type of interface that upload your ID. I will just upload an ID and make sure before submitted your ID, your account, download your account information, and you will make sure that your account name and date of birth will be same. Okay, just I will upload a photo button. I will click on it. Okay, then I will got this type of interface. I will
Okay.
just I will already uploaded. Then I will click on submit button. Okay, I just need to 2 or 3 minutes to recover this account. I'll just upload it, and you can see this type of interface that you submitted an appeal on 22 August 2026. Okay, I will just wait 1 or 2 minutes, and I will just refresh the page here. Okay. Okay, you can see that same type of interface that your account has been pending. Okay, you can see the time when I submitted. Just wait. Okay, sometime it's taken 2 or 3 minutes. I just reload the page. Okay, I will just refresh the page and wait for getting back. Okay, sometimes it taken 2 or 3 minutes, but it has been recovered 100% guaranteed. If you have any issues with your accounts, can contact with me. I will recover it 100% guaranteed. Okay, that you can see that my account is already recovered. Okay, in live you can check the time, and you can see the username, same username here. Okay, I hope you will got, if you want to got back your account easily, can contact with me on my contact section you will see everything about my contacts. So here now today's video. So I will showing you from my email here. So you can see that okay, you see that I just got an positive review from Instagram, that I will use my Instagram. Then I will show you the suspended email. Okay, you can see that account action needed. It means my account has been suspended, and all everything's here. I hope this video will help you to got back your account, and I just recovered it into 5 minutes. So if you have needed any kind of help, you can contact with me or message me on Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, and make sure my YouTube channel subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.